Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to zoom skin in and out and provide full guide. Just open your settings, go to display, scroll down, showing you to font size and style. You can easily increase or decrease your font style. Easily increase or decrease font size. Or if you want to increase or decrease skin zoom, okay, this is a minimum and this is a maximum size. Go back, okay. Or if you want to increase or decrease the zoom size, this is a maximum size. Long press, settings, showing it to home skin grid, press on done. As you can see, now my apps is smaller. Settings, 2 apps is bigger, 4:6 and 5:6. Okay, and app skin grid, press on done. Now this app is smaller. If you want to make it bigger, settings, press on done. So that's it.